15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard. Whether it's the beat of the light, he feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, time's picking it up. Let's go ahead and see anyway. He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. The many misjudged because it makes a difference from making raps. Put it together yourself, you connect. Never asking for someone's help to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause while you was ill, who would have thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. Like bleach, man, why you had the stupidest verse? Let's do this the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard you fucking with that stock. 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. They call him now, you be sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer. He's hot, found him in coal miner with top for the fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cock. The type women wanna be with him. Just hoping get shot 8 years and they're making patient.
Ya, beliau bang.
Now the record with your notice taking over.
Mana lah Benara? Mana Benara?
This shit is equally
Aglio
the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat.
155. Satu lagi 60. Pisang goreng, pisau satu meja di meja satu. Satu lagi di meja 36.
Nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note, he writes every line, and I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like the design is written in his head every time before he even touches the key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers